Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to install the Hyprland plugin Hyprexpo. Hyprexpo. So what Hyprexpo does is it gives you an overview of all your workspaces. So in Hyprland you have different workspaces. So if I open a terminal here and I go to another workspace and I open a browser here, this is now my workspaces. If I go to one, a super one, it goes to my terminal, and super 2 it goes to my second workspace with my browser in it. So if you want an overview of all your workspaces that's open, because sometimes you lose track of what's open and what windows are open on those specific workspaces, you can use Hyprexpo to do that. So I'm gonna open it now and let's see. So if I press super and G, which is my key, you can see it's a bit light, but this is all the workspaces that's empty that I can use still. And yeah, there's the first workspace and there's the second workspace with the browser in it. So it's just a simple tool that shows you what is open and what's not open. Right, and you can actually click on the one that you want to go to. So if I click there, it goes there. So yeah, let's close that one, go here. Well, let's just open a browser again. Oops. Oh, okay, yeah. That's part of the hyper scrolling thing. So I must have changed something because I want it exactly 50%. But yeah, this is hyper scrolling, which I've made another video on that you can check out. Right, so let's just go to Hyprexpo quickly. So it must be one of these ones. No, not that one. So yeah, Hyprland is a plugin manager. You can just go to hyper.land plugins and you can check out all the plugins here. And you can click on the ones that you want to install. So here's Hyprexpo. So let's just click on that one. There's too many windows open here. Let's close them. Close them. Right, so this is Hyprexpo. So it's actually good to open it because you need to copy this plugin into hyprland.conf just as is. So let's open hyprland.conf, hyprland, and then we go to the look and feel, I think. Look and feel, yeah, go to look and feel, the look and feel section, and then as you can see there's that plugin there. So Hyprexpo columns free. So let's just open another terminal quickly. Oh, yeah, this is part of the scrolling thing, which I screwed up in the previous video. Oh yeah, still works. Okay. Anyway, with Hyprexpo, it shows columns equals free. So I'm not sure what that means now, to be honest. Because what does it mean, columns, though? So I don't know what that means, actually. I can't tell you what that means. But anyway, then there's gap size. I mean, just change that and see what happens. You can actually have a background color. And then workspace method equals center. Anyway, basically you can just cut and paste this. Let's see what they have here. Yeah, it's the same. So workspace method equals center current, gesture distance. So I don't know what all these does, but it doesn't really matter because I only want the workspace to work like this. And that's pretty much all I want to know about it. So that's the only thing you put in Hyprland, and then obviously the bind key. So let's go to that. So obviously just cut and paste this into the look and feel, and then you go to the bind key binding section. You go to, where is my focus? I have so many Hyprexpo, not hyperfocus, Hyprexpo. So I just bind it to bind equals main mod G, and then Hyprexpo colon expo toggle. Toggle means you use the same key to bring it in and out. So this is the line you put in. Is this the same line that they use? Let's see. Yeah, Hyprexpo colon expo, and then you have different flags. There's like toggle displays if hidden, hide if displayed. Selects the hovered desktop. So you can play around with the flag there, the option there. Yeah, that's pretty much that. So that's Hyprexpo for you. Pretty neat. That's definitely something I will use, because you want to see all your workspaces and see what's open, what's slowing down your PC even. And you can just do that. So yeah, good.